Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to generate invoice in AppSheet. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on AppSheet, you can use our link in the description down below and you may get discounts or rewards upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So as you can see right here on the AppSheet, you can just go on this website appsheet.com, or you can go to your Google, go to your manage apps, and right there the AppSheet will be listed among other Google application like Google Task, Google Sheets, etc., etc., Google Forms. Yeah, you can see AppSheet. So now go to appsheet.com and log in with your Google account, and you will be redirected to the dashboard. So now right here you can now create applications if you want, and if you created one, they will be listed right here. So you can see all of the application that you have created. So now how to generate invoice in AppSheet. So first, we need to have an invoice data. So it could be any data that you want. So right here, right now, I'm using this data. So as you can see, this is the data I will be using. So right here on my Google Sheets, this is the invoice data I will be using. And now I'm going to import it right here in the app sheet. So if you want to import something, just click create right here, go to application and click start with existing data in order to create a new app using the sales invoice itself. So now I'm going to import this Excel data in my app sheets. And if you want to, if or in order to add the data, just click create right here on the top left corner. Go to apps and start with existing data in order to add the Excel file in this application or in app sheet. So let's just name my new app invoice. For example, I'm going to name it invoice here. Ah, wait. Yes, invoice. And for the category, you can choose whatever you want. It depends on your business. So I'm just going to use sales and CRM. After that, I'm going to choose your data. So then click Google Sheets, and right here I will be all of your files that has been uh, uploaded in your Google Drive will be listed right here. And as you can see, this is the file I'm using. This is the Excel file I'm going to use. I'm just going to choose this one, and right here it will be analyzed and it will be imported in my app sheet. So yes, right here. So after it's done, okay, so your invoice app is ready. As you can see, it is now starting to sync with my application. So don't show me this again and go to customize the snapshot. So right here, so you can see this is how my application, or this is my app. This is the invoice data that has been imported in my app sheet. So what I'm going to do now in order to create an invoice, of course, an invoice is part of a workflow. And in order to create an workflow, you need to have automation. So you need to have a bot. So first, I'm just going to create my first automation, first bot. So right here, as you can see, there's a suggestions for the workflow of my new bot. So I'm just going to use when a change happened in my files or in my data that I imported, an email will be sent. So let's just go with this one. So let's just rename it. Uh, Instead of record, okay, instead of send an email, uh, let's send a file. Okay, run a task, send an invoice. Yeah, send an invoice. Okay, and after that, click this one and create a new file. So as you can see, this is the a file. So our invoice will be sent in terms of file. So let's just choose PDF for that. So this is the PDF file. So let's choose PDF file instead of CSV, since it's better if it's PDF. And for the template, you can just create or you can just import a template if you want. So just click create because it's easy. And for the file store, if you want, you can just change it to default. And for the file folder path, you can also choose a file folder path and the file name prefix and the timestamp you can edit, attachment, yeah, all of this, all of the settings you can edit it whatever you want. And yes, that's it. After you're done, just click save, or after click save, just click view the template, so you would know how the invoice would look like. So this is the invoice would look like. Yeah, this is how it would look. And if you want, you can just test it. So right here, as you can see, it is already enabled. This bot right here is already enabled, so it's running. And if you want to test it, just click this three dots right here and click test. And for example, this is the invoice, so let's just execute this first. Yeah, so we just need to click execute, and as you can see, it says success. So right here, as you can see, the invoice after this process is executed, the invoice will be executed to, and the file will be sent in terms of this file. So this is the file that will be uploaded, and whatever file folder you choose. So if you choose any of this folder, so for example, I'm just going to so whatever file folder that you have chosen, the file itself, after the process is executed, this file will be saved on the file folder. And yes, that's it. That's how you can generate invoice in AppSheet. And also, that's it for today's video. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one.